Hi, welcome. In this video I will show you how to edit urban filter in Lightroom mobile app. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure down to -0.20. Contrast +50. Highlights down to -23. Shadows to +46. Bring down whites to -80. Blacks to +60. Go to curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to color. +50 for vibrance. Saturation bring down to -10. Go to color, mix. First go to red color. Bring down the hue, -14. Saturation to -50. And luminance to +14. Next go to orange. -10 for hue. Saturation to -23. And luminance drag to +26. Move over to yellow. -100 for hue. Bring down the saturation to -30. And luminance +26. Next, saturation -100 of green, aqua, blue, purple, and magenta. And done. Next, go to Effects. Bring the clarity to +60. Dehaze to +20. -10 for vignette. Go to split toning. Bring the hue to 220, saturation 10 for highlights. Bring the hue to 2019, saturation 5 for shadows. And done. Now, go to details. Sharpening 20. And noise reduction 35. And finish. Now, let's try to copy preset to another photo. Copy setting. paste setting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in next video.